Hello, and welcome to the Bachelor Chef, where, like our ancestors, I teach you to live off the land and make do with what you have. Now, yesterday my gas was shut off because my blood-sucking ex-wife needed her alimony check and I couldn't pay the bill. So today, we're going to be cooking eggs using a microwave. It's real easy. All you have to do is put 2 eggs in a bowl. Pick out the egg shells. You're going to want to beat your eggs like your ex-wife beat you in court. Now, put them in the microwave for 1 to 1.5 minutes on high. And my ex says it takes more than a minute for anything good to happen? What does she know?